Hey guys, it is Demetrius of At Home with Savvy, and I am back again. And this time, I'm going to be walking you through how I've upcycled these boring ornaments from last year and turned them into something else. So be sure to stick around and watch this video to the end, because you will find this video helpful, because for the past few years I've been trying to find some very unique ornaments that really fit my taste, and I've never been able to do that. But this year I'm taking matters into my own hands. And so, enough talking, and let's get into the fun stuff. So for this project, you'll need round ornaments, spray paint, acrylic paint or paint of your choice, sandpaper, small paint brushes, chopsticks, and styrofoam. You'll start by removing the caps from the ornaments and sanding the surface. And be sure to keep a cloth handy to wipe away any excess dust from your ornaments. And now, it's time to go spray paint them. And now I'm setting up my makeshift spray paint station, and this is going to make spray painting those ornaments so much easier, because the chopsticks will actually become an ornament stand. And now it's time to spray paint the ornaments. And as you can see, the spray paint is doing a really good job of covering that old color, but this will take 2 coats of spray paint, so make sure you do 2 coats. Alright, so we've gotten our black ornaments and our white ornaments painted, but if you have black ornaments or white ornaments already, you can just skip this step completely and just start painting on your designs. But as you saw, mine were like dark gray and silver, so had to paint them. But now it's time for me to put on my design, so let's paint. And the first design is super simple. You'll just freehand these fine brush strokes in a vertical motion to create the design you see here on the table. And be sure to not use too much paint on your paintbrush, because you don't want that paint dripping down your ornament. I would say a little bit goes a long way here. And when you're done, place that ornament back onto the makeshift stand to dry, and you're all done with this design. And this next design is a bit more creative. To create this look, you just layer on thicker brush strokes in different colors. And be sure to let each coat of paint dry completely before layering on the next coat. Now, let's go ahead and layer on the next color. And remember, this doesn't have to be perfect, just have fun with it. Add your own style. And now I'm adding my final layer of brush strokes, and I'm gonna let that dry. And here's how both designs turned out. Nice, right? And now you have custom ornaments for your Christmas tree, your wreath, or your garland. But I chose to add mine to the garland on my mantle. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to head over to homedepot.com.